welcome to my channel. It's another unboxing, so if you like unboxings, please subscribe, and there's a bell there every time I upload, and you'll get a bell. Today it's Birchbox, and you probably saw me in the same clothes when I did the glossy box. Yeah, I've had this one for a little while, and unfortunately the family's been a bit unwell, so we've all came down with a cold, so I do apologise. But this one's Birchbox, and I've been receiving Birchbox on and off for over a year now. So this one I didn't have last month, but this one I had to for two reasons. This is mindfulness, and the box is amazing. Look at how beautiful the detail is on that box. And the second reason is one of the items that is in the box, which you'll find out shortly. And it says, be present, not perfect, which I totally agree with. And it says, this month we are championing the importance of being on time and the art of self-care. Yes, it's time to look after number one, that's you. Mindfulness is about being fully in the moment, pulling free from the pressure, and we always push harder and strive, pulling free from the pressure of pushing harder and strive for perfection. Step one, take time to sit back, relax, take 5 beauty treats packed to help you look and, more importantly, feel great. So, and also because I had not done 1 month, they said did I want have a treat to rejoin just for them, I think. So I also had an extra one item as well in here. So I've got 6 items in my Birchbox. So that's really nice of them, and for that I thank them. One of the items in here I will not be able to use because it's not gluten-free and it could cause me some harm, but we'll get to that when we get there. Right, the first item, which is always handy to have, but I'm still learning with the old eyeliner pencils. I'm not very good, so that's why I always like to have an eyeliner pencil, is my extra item. So this is Model Co, the Eye Define Crayon Liner. So there's that, and I'll open it up so we can see inside. Oh, these plastics always get me. And we're in. Are we in? There we go. Nearly there, nearly there. Are we there? Oh, there we go. Right. Oh, it's broken. Oh dear. Never mind. Otherwise, it would go up and down. Never mind. Shall we have a look? It's a really nice deep colour, but it's a shame it's broken. Never mind. We'll move on to let's be present, not perfect. Let's move on to the next item. Right. So this is the one. It's for like beach hair, which is your kind of nice blowy hair, shiny hair. But unfortunately, it's wheat protein. So if you're celiac or gluten free, unfortunately, this is not good for you. But I've heard wonderful things about this item if it is safe for you. So it's a lovely item to have. So there you go. And so I won't be spraying this, I'm sorry. But it's a beautiful packaging though. Look at the colours on that. It's Aribe, a Prey Beach, Wave and Shine. There we go. Now, I will tell you a little bit about it. Let me just read quickly a bit about it. It says, hairstyling doesn't have to take endless time and multiple products. In fact, it needs to just be a couple of minutes with this spritz. 2-in-1 on wet or dry hair creates a natural, unfussy appearance with beach waves. Without the crisp effects of salt water, just a good shake, a spray, and work through with your fingers and a tousled finish. There we go. And the next one is Beija Gommage Festin Royal Scrub, and this one is $14.90 for a full size. And it says when your skin is feeling a little sad, show it a little bit of TLC, natural indulgent body care treat, packed full of honey and soothing shea. And this exfoliator is a great solution, sloughing away dry patches and brightening. Massage into damp skin, rinse away warm water to feel moisturised, smooth, subtle and big bone. It smells incredible. Shall we test? Unfortunately we can't be smell-o-vision, but I get the delight of the smell. So, and they are not lying. That I could smell this all day, and I can't, unfortunately. It'd be a very boring video after all. Oh, that is. It's my birthday next month and it's a big one. I know what's going to be on my list. Oh, that, and let me have a feel. Oh wow, that feels lovely. Yes, that is beautiful. Stop smelling it, Helen. Right, next item. This one here, now we had a choice whether we could have the eye patches, which if you like unboxings, you've probably seen the other Birchboxes where people have had the eye patches, and the other one was the peel off mask. Now I've never had many of the black peel off masks before, so my choice was the black peel off mask. Now that's got one of those little seal things. Oh, and as you can see, oh yeah, I'm not gonna tempt fate with that. I'm going to save that, and we may or may not share the fun of me. If it's anything like some of them, they are quite interesting to remove. So yeah, I think we might have fun filming me applying and taking that off. I'm sure my husband will have the most delight filming that for us. Okay, so it smells fresh. I would say that's the best description of what that smells like. But that's one of those, and I will read to you what it says. And it says the full size would be £14. Stressed out skin when pores are clogged, blemishes appear. Well, I definitely have plenty of that at the moment. Your complexion is generally looking tired. Charcoal mask draws out toxin, purifies, and first cleanse with a warm cloth to open your pores, and apply even layer over and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the fun bit. I love the way they say fun bit. Slowly peel in the upwards direction to reveal a happy, healthy skin. And it says psst, sensitive skin, and it does actually say psst. Always patch test first. Where do you patch test? They say behind your ear normally, or they say patch test. Yeah, I don't think I'll be patch testing there because that's a lot of hair back there behind my ear. Anyway, moving on. Right, I'm leaving the best till last. So now I think I've had one of these before, but I haven't used it yet. Which this one. So this one here is a Manakadar. It's a full size product, and it's £17. And it says, when it comes to pared back beauty, multi-purpose products are where it's at. Take more streamlined approach to your makeup bag. this handy duo, grab a fluffy large brush and buff the bronzer over your face with a subtle glow, dust beneath your cheekbones for a natural sculpt. Complete the look with the highlighter on your cheeks, giving a fresh face luminosity. Right, shall we see if we can get in there? I love plastic wrapping, don't we? Oh, do you too? Let's have a look. Oh, we're in. No, we are. We are. Yes, we are. Right. So there we go. So, oh, see when you first touch it, it doesn't look. When you first see it, it doesn't actually look that much of a highlighter. And when you've actually put your fingers on it, it's actually pretty beautiful. Now, I have a brush here, and I don't know how good it will be to show. So I'll do it that way. There's a bit of fallout. Oh yes, there we go. I don't know if you can see what I've done there. So you've got the lighter and you've got the darker there, look. And you've got the finger swatches there. I think that they are very beautiful. I think they might be, well, yeah, I think they'll be really quite nice as eyeshadows as well. And I think that's probably how I'll probably use them, is that as eyeshadows, because the bronzer is quite shiny and quite shimmery. So, and to be honest, I do prefer my bronzer to be quite matte. But they are stunning. I do like the highlighter shade. That's very, very pretty. Last and no means least, I'm hoping I'm not scratching and then putting bronzer all over there. Right, is one of the reasons why I got Birchbox this month was the let me get it right, Bad Girl Bang. Because I was a bit apprehensive about buying the big Bad Girl Bang, and also the box was stunning. It's a good excuse to get both, really. Now, this is a mini, because as you've probably seen, the normal mini is very much the same shape as the big one, but this is like a mini. So, and how much mil is this? So in this one you've got, it says in grams rather than mils. So this has got 3 grams, which is 0.1 ounce. And I normally work in mils, so. Right, so. And it's got a full size head on there. I have got mascara on today, so I can't give you the full workup, but I can give you a little bit of a go over my little bit of my mascara here. And normally my mascara of choice is the Dulce, I think it's Punk. Is it Dulce Punk? Yes, it's Dulce Punk. And so that goes on nicely. I know it's over the top of the other one. So at the moment, I mean, I can't really say obviously, but that went on quite easily. And what I'll do is I will use it a couple of times and see how I get on with that. But I'm impressed so far. So, as I say, that one there is £21.50 for the full size. And I must admit, I do like a thicker. I don't like the runny mascaras. I like thick mascaras that stick well. Right. So, and I've got some other mascaras. I've got some mascaras from others from a supermarket actually, different types to try out in the future as well. So we'll give them a try and see if they're any different to the high-end ones, which would be great. Right, getting on. We have this in the bottom, which says up to £25 off of Birchbox. It's £5 off if you spend 50, £10 if you spend 75, and £25 if you spend 100. And the code is thank you. So if you go in the Birchbox shop and write thank you, and you spend that, then you have the voucher, the code to use. So we have, scrub, which smells absolutely delightful. The mask, which I'm looking forward to use in some ways, but dreading in other ways, but I really do want to try one of these masks out. The mascara. The Manakadar, which I always nearly forget. The beach hairspray. And the pencil, which unfortunately I was unable to use properly, but it does seem quite nice and black. So all in all, a really nice Birchbox. So that was very nice, and as I said, as usual, Birchbox always do the pretty boxes. So if you enjoyed, please feel free to comment underneath, subscribe, press the bell if you, and thank you for watching, and thank you, and I hope you have a happy, healthy day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.